Guys, welcome back to True Tutorial, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how to permanently delete videos in your YouTube channel. And this goes for whether the video is public or it's in a draft state or private, whichever state the video visibility is in, you are able to delete this using the steps that I'm showing you. So what you want to do, once you're inside your YouTube studio, you want to go ahead and find that video. And I've uploaded a test video here, which is in the draft state. So let's say you have a published video. All you have to do, guys, is just simply go ahead and click these three dots towards the right side of the video. You have a bunch of options here. Just click three dots and you will see the option that says delete forever. Now you want to go ahead and click on that and you will get the option to say if you really want to delete this video, right? You want to check this box here that says I understand that deleting is permanent and can't be undone, and then you will hit the delete forever button here. But I will not do it for this one. Now let's do it for this one that is currently within the draft state. So click the three dots again, then click delete forever, check this box here and go ahead and click delete draft, right? So you go ahead and delete that video and it will delete successfully. And this is how you easily go ahead and permanently delete videos on your YouTube channel. Here you have it, guys. I really hope you found value within this video. And if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching and see you next time.